Good morning, students. Welcome to Shivaji Group Global Solutions online classes. Students, this is a maths class, and we are doing chapter 6. Chapter name is multiplication. Okay, students. In our previous class, we are doing exercise 6D, and we will start from part B, multiply. So, open your book and open page number 78. Students, the multiplication of three digit numbers. The multiplication of three digit numbers. Exercise 6D. Okay. The multiplication of three digit numbers. Part B, question number 1, 654 multiplied by 431. 654 multiplied by 431. There are many types, many methods of multiplication. Okay, so first we multiply this number by 1. 4, 5 and 6. When we multiply this number by 1, then we got the product 654. Next we multiply this number by 3. 3 4s are 12, carry 1. 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16, carry 1. 3 6s are 18 and carry 1 9. Next, we multiply this number by 4. 4 4s are 16, 6 carry 1, 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 1 is 21, carry 2, 4 6s are 24 plus 2, 26. Now add the numbers in sequence. 4, 5 plus 2, 7. 6 plus 6 plus 6, 18. 8 carry 1, 9 1, 10, 1 11. Carry 1, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8, 2. Okay, the answer is this. 2,81,874. Understood? Question number 2, 3, 4 is the multiplication of three digit numbers. Question number 6, the multiplication of 4 digit number by 3 digit number. The multiplication of 4 digit number by 3 digit number. Then 2, 3, 9, 7. Multiply by 315. Okay, friends. So the process is same. First we multiply this number by 5 and put the value here. Then we multiply this number by 1. Then we put the value here. At last we multiply this number by 3 and we put the value here. Understood? Look. 5 7s are 35, 5 carry 3. 5 9s are 45 plus 3, 48, carry 4. 5 3s are 50, 15 plus 4, 19, carry 1. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1, 11. Okay. Now multiply this number by 10 because 1 is in tens place, so we multiply this number by 10. 2 3 9 7 multiplied by 10 is equal to 2 3 9 7 0. 2 3 9 7 0 0 7 9 3 2. Okay. Last we multiply this number by 300 because 3 is in hundreds place, so we multiply this number by 100. 2 3 9 7 multiplied by 300. 3 7s are 21, carry 2, 3 9s are 27, plus 2 29 carry 2 3 3 से 9 9 plus 2 11 1 3 2 6 6 plus 1 7 and 2 0 on the right side. Okay, so 0 0 1 9 1 7. Now add the numbers in sequence. 5 8 plus 7 sorry 15 carry 1 9 1 10 9 3 20 0 carry 2 3 6 15 carry 1 2 3 4 5 7 7,55,055. Okay, answer is 7,55,055. This is the second method to do this type of questions. Okay, so your exercise 6D is finished. Now we will start next exercise 6E. Okay, properties of multiplication. Properties of multiplication. There are many properties of multiplication. So we will learn the first property of multiplication, order property. Okay, students, the product doesn't change when the order of a number is changed. Means if we change the order, we have a question 24 multiplied by 59. If we multiply it and the other one, if we change the order 59 multiplied by 24, then the product doesn't change. Then the answer doesn't change. If we change the order, the product doesn't change. Understood? Second property, multiplicative property of 1. Multiplicative property of 1. What is the multiplicative property of? The product of a number and 1 is the number itself. The product of a number. The product of a number and 1 is always the number. The product of a number and 1 is always the number. Understood? Third property, multiplicative property of 0. The product of a number and 0 is always 0. The product of a number and 0 is always 0. Understood? Next property, multiplication by tens. If we multiply any number by 10, then to multiply a number by 10, 20, 30, any number, multiply the number by 1, 2, 3 or any number and put 1 0 on the right side of the product. Okay, understood? Look, if we multiply this number by 10, then first we multiply this number by 1, 6, 9, 2 and put 1 0 on the right side of the product. First we multiply this number by 1 and put 1 0 on the right side of the product. Understood? If multiply by 20, then 729 multiplied by 20. First we multiply this number by 2. 2 9 18 and put 1 0 on the right side of the product. Understood? The same process, if we multiply any number by 100, then first we multiply this number by 1 and put 2 zeros on the right side of the product. Same process, if we multiply any number by 200, first we multiply this number by 2 and put 2 zeros on the right side of the product. Okay? The same method is, if we multiply any number by 1000, then First we multiply this number by 1 and put 3 zeros on the right side of the product. Okay. So students, now come to our exercise. Next exercise 6b. Exercise 6b. Part A, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Question number 1. 518 multiplied by 9 is equal to 9 multiplied by 518. The answer is 518 because this is the, here we apply the order property. Here we apply the order property. If we change the orders, but the product doesn't change. Understood? The product doesn't change. Next one is 624. The same question. 624 multiplied by is equal to 38 multiplied by 624. 624 multiplied by space is equal to 38 multiplied by 624. The same question, if the order doesn't change, the product doesn't change. The product is same. Okay. Next one is question number 3. 79125 multiplied by is equal to 79125. Here the product is the number itself. So if you multiply any number by 1, then the product is the number itself. Okay, then we got the number itself. Next question is same as question number 2. Question number 5 is same as question number 3. If you multiply any number by 1, then we got the number itself. Okay. Question number 6. If we multiply any number by 0, then the product is always 0. If we multiply any number by 0, then the product is always 0. Understood? So all the questions are same. Next, part B, find the following products. Find the following products. Okay. Question number 1. Question number 1 is 12,635 multiplied by 10. This is the multiplication method. Multiplication by 10. So first we multiply this number by 1. 1, 2, 6, 3, 5. If we multiply any number by 1, then we got the number itself. Then first we multiply this number by 1 and put 1 0 on the right side of the product. Put 1 0 on the right side of the product. Okay. Next question, same as question number 1. Question number 5. Question number 5 is 7,205 multiplied by 50. Okay. So first we multiply this number by 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. 5 7s are 35. And 136, and put 1 0 on the right side of the product. Okay. This means question number, now come to our next question number 19. Question number 19 is 217 multiplied by 2000. So first we multiply this number by 2. 7 2 7s are 14, carry 1 2 1s are 2, plus 1 3, 2 2s are 4, and put 3 zeros on the right side of the product. And put 3 zeros on the right side of the product. Okay. Next question. Question number 23. 192 multiplied by 5000. Friends, 192 multiplied by 5000. Then this number multiplied by 5. 5 to 10, 0 carry 1. 5 9s are 45 plus 1. 46 carry 4. 5 ones are 5 plus 4, 9. And we have 3 zeros. So we put 3 zeros on the right side of the product. And the answer is 9,60,000. Okay. So your exercise 6E is finished. So students, enough for today. Next time we will start exercise 6F. Okay. So write down the homework. Do exercise 6D part B and exercise 6E. Do exercise 6D part B and exercise 6E. Okay.